Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my hood. You know what this thing is. Okay, just kidding. Hi. Okay, so this is another unboxing video because it is March now, and that means I got another box. And I'm filming during daylight this time, so I got another box and we about to open it. So let's just get into it because I'm excited. All right. Wow. So what we got here? Ooh, smells good. Okay. So the first thing that's, let me just put it back. This is what I'm looking at right now. Let's see. This is what I'm looking at. So I'm just grab the first thing on tap. This has a card, and it says lovers and partnership. Open your heart to love and live in the moment with a passion and exuberance. Experience the harmony of a great partnership. That's what it looks like. And this is the back. So yeah, it's really nice. This box smells so good. And you know, we got our paper, parchment paper, that shows us what the what's in here. So this year's box is the Ancient Council. All right. Oh my God. It says we have meditated and selected a card from our Wisdom of the Toe Oracle cards by Ming Jing Lu to place inside your box. This card and the saying that it holds was meant for you. Take the time to reflect on the wisdom that it holds. Let it resonate with you and speak to the pressing realities of your world. That was that. And we have a sigil. The sigil, it says, yep, I knew exactly what kind of sigil this was. I was right. Okay. It says, to accompany you on your journey and true purpose of fulfillment, we have included a hand-painted copy of our interpretation of the Vegbusur magical stave. Known as the Icelandic Wayfinder, the magical stave was created to assist us in finding our way through rough weather. As written in the Hold manuscript in 1880, the Vegbusur, I can't say that word, was written next to the following inscription. If this sign is carried, one will never lose one's way in storms or bad weather, even when the way is not known. Take comfort in the ancient energy that this staff holds within its lines. That's so nice. Okay, what we got next? Magica Berlin. Magic of Merlin candle pair with spell. I don't see a candle with this yet, so maybe it's down here, but I'll leave it alone. See, it has runes, you guys. Can you see that? There we go. I'm not gonna read it, but just know it has runes. You can pause this video to read it if you want, but it has runes on it, and I'm gonna read it now. It says, this is a beautiful book of shadows artwork we created by Adrienne Aldine, exclusively for the Witch's Moon. That's all it says. That's all it says. But yeah, it's really pretty, and it has runes on it. That's really nice. Okay. Now I'm opening the box. This is me opening the box. Okay. Taking off the bubble wrap. Okay. Bubble wrap even smells good. Alright, I'm digging, and we've got, let's see what this is. This looks heavy. My God, I'm gonna die. Holy crap. What? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Hold on. It's a candle holder. Look at this candle holder. Hold on. So much bubble wrap. Hold on. Wow, look at my candle holder. This beautiful created candle holder is a great addition to our altar, and we will prove to, it says, we will prove to enhance the depth of your ritual. The pentacle has been used as a sacred symbol for over 8,000 years by many of the ancients, such as Egyptians, Indians, Persians, and Greeks. The reasoning symbol behind the pentagram reminds us that we have the ability to bring spirit to earth, giving us the power to become whole. We create sustenance, life, and gain secret knowledge to the hidden mysteries of earth by incorporating this magic symbol into our practice. As used by the ancestors, we pay homage to the earthly truth the pentagram has proven to purvey. So that's really nice. That's really nice. What is this? Oh my gosh, these are not what these are runes. I'm pretty sure these are runes. I'm pretty sure these are runes, guys. They're runes. Oh my gosh, I got runes. Wow. They're real runes, you guys. Like, this is real wood. This is real wood. Look at my runes. That is so cool. Look at that. It came in this whole velvet pouch. That is really nice. And it says, we have put together a set of runes with a large velvet pouch for our sacred storage. These elder runes have been burned into the popular wood, known for its qualities of abundance, independence, and resilience. As a divination tool, rune means mystery, whisper, or secret. Runes have been used by the ancients as the form of oracle and stratus situations are needed in the council. These specific times are the elder Furthark runes, which are known as the Germanic rune alphabet. These set includes 24 runes, the first 6 of which spell out the Furthark. I cannot. These are so many words that I can't read. The addition blank rune has been used in more modern times as meaning of fate. That's all I'm gonna read because it's a lot and I don't want this video to be long. But oh, here are the are these 2? I got 2 candles. Oh my god. Okay, so this goes with my, this goes with my spell. They didn't wrap it with each other this time, I guess, because there was 2 of them. But, wow. Look at my candles. See my candles? I don't know if y'all can see. They're like, it has herbs on them and it's sparkly. It doesn't smell like anything, but there's 2 of them. Wow, that's really awesome. Hey guys, I'm gonna read you the incantation for my beautiful candles, and always these are made out of beeswax, so 100% natural. And they have herbs sprinkled on them and some glitter. But I'm gonna read the incantation. It says, within the hands of ancient lies a candle flame side by side. I come before myself and I to connect with those much wiser, much high. Through guidance, through insight of mind, bless these tools with magic signs. Show me how, show me why, show me signs, oh great divine. I seek your sight, blessed be known as above, so below. Within the hands of ancients lie a candle's flame side by side. So mote it be. Woo! That is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, what we got next in here? Okay, so I got this. This is probably like a crystal or something in this pouch, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. Let's see. I don't know, it's wrapped. So apparently it's fragile and they didn't want it to to get broken. Ooh, it's a beautiful piece of rock. I don't know what kind it is, but we about to read and see, okay? It's red moss agonite, I think that's what it's called. I think. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that. Agate. Moss agate has been a great addition to our practice while working with future things out. The red moss agate, which is more unlikely stone to find. It's a fantastic harmonizer during hectic periods of life. Either at a mess at work in your personal life, this stone will help unlock guidance, helping you to make sense of things, make it easier to know just what to do, along with a stress relief stone. Moss, ew, I feel like I'm getting sick. Where is it? Moss agates gives you the confidence to move forward knowing that you're in charge. Affirmation. I work to understand the situations in my life and conquer them with guidance, confidence, and commitment. Alright, we got the incense, of course. This be making the box smell good. These just smell beautiful. Sandalwood. Ooh, I don't have sandalwood. It smells really good. Sandalwood, the beautiful complex scent of sandalwood has been used for deep meditation, consecration, and divinity since the beginnings of time. Allow this beautiful scent to accompany you during your ritual so that you may connect with your guides and intuition through meditation and vision work. This is popping. This smells so good. We got some herbs. Girl. Got some herbs. Huh? Yeah. Yes, we do, definitely. Alright. Sorry, it's taking a stick pic. Okay, so we have pawpaw herb. Right there. That's what it looks like. And then we got some Daminia leaf. Gonna read them. Pawpaw herb or papaya leaf has been included in many of our brews when working to banish evil and create a sacred space. Papaya leaf can also be used to intensify relationships and connections with those close to you, including your bath or burn in a powdered incense to reverse hexes and jinx that may have impacted your life so that you may grow in the blessings of the year. Gender, feminine, planet, moon, element, water, magical powers, love, protection. And then the Daminia leaf has been long used for a healing herb in Mexico and gained fame for its aphrodisiac qualities. We like to use Daminia leaf in Tantra magic, allowing us to conduct astral travel, deep meditation, and spiritual quest. When burned, Daminia leaf breaks down mental barriers and inhibitors, allowing oneself to increase their psychic abilities. Wow, that's cool. Okay, now we got some tea. Guided Vision Crimson Tea. That's the Reaping Tea, girl. That's the Reaping Tea. Okay, so it says this is a wonderful tea blend which includes rooibos, hibiscus, concretes, rose hips, elderberries, and cranberries. Ooh, this might be a sweet tea. Hold on, let me open it. This video's so long. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this tea about to be popping. Oh yes, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Work with the cranberries. Okay, it says, we also included a muslin bag for you to use as a deep steep for your tea. As you sip this hot tea and relax meditation, practice the art of opening your mind and visualizing your goals allows solutions and ideas to naturally intervene. Break away from the clutter and anxiety of everyday thoughts and concerns. This is tea to help you This is a tea that's also great blend to drink before bed to receive messages during your sleep. And this is the bag, I assume. Oil, you know, they always give us a magical oil. Let's see what's popping. And these oils always have crystals in them of some sort, which is really cool. Alright, this is a fat bottle. Speak to me oil. Let's see if I can find the first one. Speak to me oil. This Speak to me oil anointing oil. This Speak to me anointing oil has been created with the intention of drawing forth signs and something into view. We recommend anointing your skin, candles, or jewelry with this oil so that you may become more able to recognize messages during ritual or daily life. The signs are whispers. These signs are the whispers of the ancient within and that are communicating through us with our lifetime. We have enchanted this magical oil with cinnamon, peppermint, essential oils, and have included mugwort, enchantia, and star incense as well. Star anise, I can't say that word. Inside your oil, you will find a lumen quartz, said to personify one's to personify oneness into your aura. We have also included a spiritual mixture of divination oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Be careful applying this to skin. The base is sunflower oil, which is good, so might be sensitive than others. Okay, but this is what the oil looks like. It's really pretty, as always. Always got the herbs in there. You know, let's give it a little twirl. Yes, really beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah, they always put some kind of quartz or crystal in here. And yeah, I still have more over there from last time. Alright. We have another thing is, you know, a bath salts. And these, it came in a white jar this time. Bath salts. It doesn't have a name on it. But they're bath salts, of course, because they always get it. I didn't even smell the oil. What is wrong with me? They said cinnamon, peppermint, and cinnamon. I can smell the peppermint, and I can smell a hint of cinnamon. Okay, but back to the salts. It says, as you sink into beautiful aromas of our sacred salt, visualize a white light consuming your aura and expanding around you. Relax and let go of preconceived thoughts and expectations. Allow your inner chatter to slowly stop culturing your emotions as you clear your mind and visualize the white aura. Imagine yourself charging your internal magnet and responding and repositioning your compass. You slowly become that to which messages, guidance, and counsel are so strongly attracted. Imagine yourself becoming wiser and stronger, being able to accept these messages with pure heart and mind. We have enchanted the sacred salt with cinnamon, sweet orange essential oil. Cinnamon and sweet orange essential oil, as well as peppermint leaf and orange peel. We have also included a special mixture of divination oil, divination magic oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Cool. I smell the orange, definitely. This is what they look like. Very white, very pretty. Got the herbs, of course. And then last but not least, okay, we have this little stick of wood. We have a stick of wood. Doesn't smell like anything, just wood. That will be all. Let's see what this wood is. I assume it's this, holy wood. It's a holy wood. Palo Santo, also known as holy wood, is guys, it is our absolute favorite energy to bring forth before and after ritual work. As well as clearing your space, Palo Santo is known for bringing the therapeutic healing power. This beautiful aroma of the burning Palo Santo trees invokes protection and infuses blessings into your space and aura. As you light your Palo Santo, let it burn for 30 seconds and recite out loud, I ask the holy wood of Palo Santo infuse this space with blessings and purity. So you're supposed to burn it. Okay, well that's all I had, you guys, just to go over it again. We have our beautiful sandalwood incense, and they smell so good. Woo! They smell beautiful. And then we got our beautiful, beautiful pentagram. Our beautiful pentacle of candle holder. It's really beautiful. I gotta find a nice place to put it. Then we got our runes and our beautiful velvet. Sorry, she was doing weird stuff. Our beautiful velvet bag. And then we got our, what is it, red moss? I think that's what it's called. Red moss. And this is hard to come by, apparently. But it's very, very pretty. Then we got our herbs. We got our tea that smells so good, and it came with a bag. A reusable bag. Wow, isn't that awesome? And this tea smells sweet and good. And we got our beautiful Merlin incantation. Okay. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Then we got our sigil. And this is a very popular sigil, actually. I've heard of it before. And we got our beautiful artwork. My oracle card. From the Chinese. I think it's Chinese. And then we got bubble wrap. We got our magic oil. We got our Palo Santo. We got our bath salts. And I think I said incense already. So that's it. So that was it for this time's witch box. The witch's moon box, okay? And this is March's box, so another one will be coming in April. And I hope you guys like this video. Guys, peace out.